The good peeps at Canon were kind enough to lend us this M200 so we can make this first look video for you. It will be released sometime in October, but we're lucky to have it right now. Thanks to Canon for supporting this video. Now the M100 has been a fan favorite as an entry-level mirrorless camera for people using smartphones for photography. It's packed with DSLR-worthy tech with the simplicity of a point and shoot. The M100 was a powerful and stylish way to show the social media world your creative side. But what about the new Canon EOS M200? The Canon M200 is definitely a worthy upgrade, and it's easier than ever to get high quality photos and videos with the same compact body. So here's what you need to know about the new Canon EOS M200. But before I get into it, remember you can come visit us at the Digital Go showroom if you're in Miami, and don't forget we publish new content weekly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified about the latest videos. The major upgrade between the M100 and M200 is the processor. The M200 now sports a Digic 8 processor that even some DSLRs would be jealous of. What's the Digic 8, you ask? Well, it's what gives the M200 the ability to shoot 4K video, eye detect autofocus, and dual pixel autofocus. That's right, 4K videos at 24 frames per second is now a reality from a Canon mirrorless camera that fits in your pocket. Not only can you shoot 4K, but you also have the added bonus of being able to shoot 4K time-lapse videos, take 4K screen grabs from your 4K movies, and have high-quality stills in addition to your videos. This is huge for such a small camera. Methinks this could be exciting for my video and vlogging friends out there. With this update, you also get the ability to shoot vertical videos. This is great if you're working with Instagram TV or Stories or other social media platforms that are vertical video friendly. And with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing photos on social media is really easy. Now, I don't use vertical video much, so let me know if that's a feature you're into. In addition to the new video updates, you now have much better autofocus and eye detect. The selectable autofocus points have been increased from 49 to 123, making sure everything you focus on stays in focus. The improved autofocus performance provides AF sensitivity in low light conditions down to -4 EV, so indoor parties and events won't be a problem. And Canon's highly regarded eye detect autofocus will make sure you look crisp both in your still photos and your videos. Canon has also added a new feature assistant tool that helps explain what each camera mode is useful for, which is a great way to learn those pesky manual modes that require some toggling, and in turn, you'll become a better photographer and better photo results to improve your social media game. And don't worry, all the great features of the M100 that made it a fan favorite are still here, such as the button layout, 24 megapixel sensor, its pocket-friendly size, and all-important pop-up selfie screen. Will you be using this as a substitute for DSLRs or large mirrorless cameras to do wedding photography or professional videos? Probably not, but for what it is, I think this camera knocks it out of the park. Are you interested in the Canon M200? Why or why not? Let me know in the comment section below. If you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. And if you're in the Miami area, come visit us at the Digital Go showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.